A ratio compares two numbers that are measured by the same units and can be written in several different ways. So if we were to take the ratio 30 to 40, we could write it like this. So 30 to 40. We can write it as a fraction. So 30 over 40. Or we could write it in words. The first thing that we need to go over is simplifying ratios. So if we were to simplify a ratio such as 4 over 16, we're going to use our calculator to do this. You can use your calculator or you can do it in your head, it doesn't matter. First, to do it without your calculator, you think of a number that divides both 4 and 16. And the biggest number that divides both of them is 4. So we're going to divide the top by 4 and divide the bottom by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 16 divided by 4 is 4. So our simplified ratio is 1 over 4. Another way to do this is to use your calculator. So what you're going to do is you're going to type in your top number, which is your numerator. So if that's your first button, then you're going to click the button that looks like this, the ABC button. And then you're going to click your bottom number, which is your denominator. So if you type in 1 ABC 4, it can't be simplified anymore. But if you type in 4 ABC 16, it comes up as 1 R4, which is the same as 1 over 4. So let's try a couple more. If we have the fraction 12 over 3, if we click 12 ABC 3, you should equal 4. Anytime you have a number, the fraction is the same as 4 over 1. Let's do the next one. 28 ABC 75, and you get 28 over 75. This cannot be simplified anymore. This is already in its simplest form. Next one. 15 ABC 21, we get 5 over 7. Try the next ones. So what's a number that goes into 8 and 18? The biggest number is 2, so we're going to divide the top by 2 and the bottom by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4, and 18 divided by 2 is 9. Second one, 45 ABC 100 equals 9 over 20. Now, when you have a ratio set up like this, we can use our calculator still. We just do our first number and then our second number because we know this can be written as 20 over 50. So we go 20 ABC 50, and we should get 2 over 5, and we want to write it as 2 to 5. 3 to 20, you go 3 over 20, 21, and then you go 3 ABC 21, and you get 1 over 7, which is the same as 1 to 7. Our last one, 56 to 7, is the same as 56 over 7. Now because 7 is a multiple of 56, you can read this as 56 divided by 7, which is 8. And we write our ratio, because we know this is the same as 8 over 1, as 8 to 1. Next, we're going to set up our own ratio. So first you have to decide if your units are the same, and then you set up your ratio with what you're comparing. So Charles works as a cook in a restaurant. His chicken soup recipe contains 11 cups of broth, 5 cups of diced veggies, 3 cups of rice, and 3 cups of chicken. First, let's see what the total number of ingredients is for our recipe. So total is 11 plus 5, which is 16, plus 3, which is 19, plus 3, which is 22. So we have 22 ingredients altogether. First, A, what is the ratio of veggies to chicken? So we pick our veggies number, which is 5, to our chicken number, which is 3. B, what is the ratio of broth to veggies? So this time we're going to pick our broth number, which is 11, and our veggies number, which is 5. C, what is the ratio of chicken to rice? So we pick our chicken number, which is 3, to our rice number, which is also 3. If we wanted to simplify this, because 3 and 3 are the same, we know it's the same as 1 to 1. And D, what is the ratio of chicken to all the ingredients? So we pick our chicken number, which is 3, and we already found our total, which is 22, so 3 to 22.